Today, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. Setting up 2FA makes your Instagram connection much more reliable when posting or scheduling stories from your desktop. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Navigate to your settings by clicking the wheel icon or three lines in the top right corner, then tap Settings and Privacy. From there, open the Meta Account Center menu. In Account Center, tap Password and Security, and then tap Two-Factor Authentication. Choose the Instagram account you want to secure. Instagram will offer you three different 2FA methods: an authentication app, SMS codes, or a physical security key. For the most secure and most reliable experience with Storrito, we recommend using an authentication app. Apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator generate your login codes locally on your device, which makes them more stable and less prone to delays or failed deliveries. Tap Authentication App, and Instagram will guide you through the setup. It may automatically detect apps you already have installed, or it will give you a setup key you can copy manually. Add this key to your Authenticator app and then enter the 6-digit code it generates back into Instagram to confirm. If you choose SMS instead, enter your phone number and verify the code Instagram sends you. This works, but it's less reliable. SMS messages can be delayed or blocked, and this can sometimes cause login issues when Instagram needs to re-verify your identity in third-party tools like Storrito. Once you've enabled your preferred method, Instagram will show you backup codes. Make sure to save these somewhere safe. They let you log in even if you lose your phone. In addition to 2FA, it's really important to confirm new Instagram login attempts, including those made via Storrito, to make sure your connection remains stable. You can approve new logins directly in the Meta Account Center. Tap Yes, it was me as soon as you see any new logins that you recognize. Storrito logins are typically shown as Samsung or Motorola devices. You can find the exact Storrito device name in the Instagram account's overview in your Storrito account. Simply click on the Instagram account handle and check the device name under Active Connections. Confirming these attempts helps Instagram trust your login, which reduces the number of future challenges and makes the connection with Storrito much more stable. If you ignore or miss these notifications, Instagram might temporarily block the login, which can lead to issues like missing posts or failed story uploads. And that's it! Your Instagram account is now more secure and more stable for use with Storrito. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video or share it with someone who hasn't set up their 2FA yet. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.